new session. In previous session, we already discussed about what are sets and different representation of sets. In this session, we are discussing about more problems related to these sets. Okay, so let us start the class. Okay, in previous session, we already discussed what are roster form and set builder form. Okay, here we do some problems related to how to convert the roster form into set builder form and set builder form into roster form. Okay, now we do the first question, how to convert the set builder form to roster form. Okay, here question is given as write the following sets in roster form. Here all sets are given in set builder form. We have to convert that one into roster form. What is roster form? We have to list the elements inside the bracket. Okay, so first question is what? Set A is equal to x such that x is an odd natural number. What is an odd natural number? Odd natural number, what are odd natural numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, etc. Here limit is not up to which number is not given, so we have to write up to infinity. Okay, we have to list the odd numbers in it, in the set. Okay, so set A is equal to, inside the bracket you have to write what? You have to write the elements, list the odd numbers. Okay, what are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. Here condition is not given, so up to infinity you have to, so just put dots. Okay, question is set B is equal to x such that x is an integer. Here condition is given as what? X square less than or equal to 4. Where here x is what? An integer. What are integers? We know that integers having what? Positive integers are there, negative integers are there, and including 0. Okay, so if you drawing a number line, here 0 is the integers, then positive integers. Here we write the positive, here we write the positive integers, here we have to write the negative integers. Here positive integers, what are positive integers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. What are negative integers? Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, etc. Okay, here these are integers. Okay, positive integers, negative integers, and 0. These both are all are integers. Okay, here we have to find x is an integer. We have to find the integer where condition is what? Square of these numbers less than or equal to 4. Okay, so what is 0 square? 0 square is equal to 0. Okay, then what is 1 square? 1 square is equal to 1. This is less than 4. Okay, condition is satisfied. This one, 2 are condition satisfied. Next step, what is 2 square? 2 square, 2 into 2 equal to 4. 4, here condition of x square less than or equal to 4. This condition is also satisfied. Next step, then after this one, 3. What is 3 square? 3 square is equal to 9. This condition is not satisfied here, because here condition is what? X square less than or equal to 4. Greater than 4. So this one is not satisfied. Okay, from this not satisfied. Okay, then in this side negative numbers. Okay, here negative 1 square. What is negative 1 square? Minus 1 square. What is minus 1 square is equal to positive 1. Okay, this is also satisfy this condition. Next, negative 2 square. What is negative 2 square? And this is also equal to positive 4. That also satisfy this condition. Next, negative 3 square. What is negative 3 square? Is equal to positive 9. This 9 condition is satisfied. No, here 9 is greater than 4. So this is not satisfied this condition. So greater than negative, that means these numbers are not satisfying this condition. So up to minus 2, these numbers, that means minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. These 5 numbers satisfies this condition. Okay. We can write the answer as set B is equal to, what are the numbers satisfy this condition? What are the integers? Negative 2, negative 1, 0, positive 1, and these are the numbers satisfy this condition. This is a roster form to represent this form. Okay. To next question. Set C is equal to X such that X is a letter in the word loyal. What are the letters in the word loyal here? Here L is the, O is the, Y is the, and A is the. Again L is repeating. No need to write L because you have to write only letter. Here L is already written. So second time L no need to write. Okay. So how to represent this set? Equal to what? L O Y A. L is repeating here. No need to write L. So this is the set to represent letters in the word loyal in roster form. Okay. Okay, now we are discussing the next set of questions. Write the following sets in set builder form. Here the roster form is given. We have to convert that one into set builder form. What is set builder form? We have to write the common properties of the elements inside the set. Here question is what? Set D is equal to, numbers are given 3, 6, 9, 12. What are the common properties of these 4 numbers? What are the common properties of this number? These are multiples of 3. Multiples of 3. This is 3 into 1. No. 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 3 is 9. 3 into 4 is 12. That means these are multiples of 3. How to represent this one in set builder form? D is equal to, set D is equal to what? X such that X is the multiple of 3, comma. What is the condition is here? What is the condition here? Here up to 12 is the number is up to 12. If infinity is there, that means dots are there. We no need to write condition. Here up to 12 is given. So we have to write condition as what? X less than or equal to 12. Okay. Then close the bracket. This is the set builder form for this form. Okay. Question is E is equal to 5, 25, 125, 625. What are the common properties of these numbers? Just look at these numbers. What are the common properties? These are not multiples of 5. No? These are multiples of 5. Okay, but what are multiples of 5 means what? 5 is there, 10 is there, like that. But here these are not that continuous multiples of 5. These are what? Powers of 5. Okay, these are powers of 5. Here, what is this? This is 5 raised to 1. This is 5 square. This is 5 cube. This is 5 raised to 4. So that means these are powers of the 5. Okay. So how to write this one in set builder form? Set E is equal to X such that X is a power of 5. X is a power of 5, comma. Here what is the condition? Up to 625. So I write X less than or is equal to up to what? 625. Okay. This is the representation of these numbers. Next question. Set F is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. Not even. Okay. What are the common properties of these numbers? These are even numbers. Even natural numbers. Okay. That means 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. It's the even natural number. Here condition is given. No. Here up to infinity is there. That means putting dots are there. So that means Here up to infinity, so no need to write the condition here, only write what it is an even natural number. So set f is equal to x such that x is an even natural number. Here no need to write the condition because here limit is not there up to infinity, so no need to write the condition. So our question session is over. Today we are discussed about what are different sets, roster form and set builder form problems, how to convert set builder form to roster form and roster form to set builder form. This is enough for today. So in next sessions we are discussing about different types of sets in that Venn diagrams and properties of sets. What are the main topics in next sessions? Okay. So I hope you understood this session. താങ്ക് യു ഓൾ. ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ നോട്ട്സ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ലഭിക്കണമെങ്കിൽ ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ ബോക്സിൽ താഴെ ലിങ്ക് കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ആ ലിങ്ക് നിങ്ങൾ ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്താൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നോട്ട്സ് ലഭിക്കുന്നതാണ്. പിന്നെ ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ഡൗട്ട്സോ സജഷൻസോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ കമൻറ്റ് ബോക്സിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അത് നിർദ്ദേശിക്കാവുന്നതാണ്.